must listen to everything she does, and you're going to be so inspired. She just turned 16. She just turned 16, 1-6. Okay, just a few years older to you. But Sanya has been doing a lot of social work around her residence. Okay, she takes part in a lot of Go Green drives, which means plantation drives. She, in her free time, goes to teach children in the orphanage or other children in other schools who do not have excellent education like you do. Talia, Talia! Teaching someone in your free time is a wonderful thing to do. Sanya, hats off to you. That's really a wonderful job. Total praises for all these things that you're doing. Sanya also recently completed her 10th grade and she got excellent percentage. Sanya, would you like to mention the percentage you got? Children, listen this out.
85%.
She stood at 85%. Awesome, isn't that? Isn't it? एक thumbs up तो बनता है भाई.
Thank you.
85%. All the subjects that she had given test. तुम लोग आजकल क्या करते हो? 1 test, 2 test देते हो and हाँ मैम 60 मिल गया, 70 मिल गया out of 100. कभी अचानक से 90 मिल गया तो फिर लगता है जैसे आज पेड़ा बांटेंगे. But Sanya Didi has got 85%. That's awesome, isn't it? That's absolutely stunning. Now,
thank you.
We have invited Sanya today because she takes part in a lot of recycle work as well around our society. Okay? So today, we are really happy to have Sanya Merchant as the judge for the session. Cool? You all know the rules. You all kids know the rules. You know the judging parameters, right? Your props, your communication, what all you have to use as language when you're talking, how you present yourself, everything is a part of the scores. Correct? Okay? So I'm going to start the class now. We are joined by our PT sir as well today. That's lovely. Thank you, Devendra sir, for joining us. So, Vihan has been ready since a while. So I'm going to first open the mic for Vihan. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the Showtime in grade 6. Vihan, are you ready? I'm going to open the mic and only when we say start, you will start saying, okay? You got it, Vihan? Oh, wow. Yasha teacher is also joining us. That's wonderful. Wow. We have some audience today. Vihan, the mic is opening for you.
Who is this?
And
who is this Nahi?
Mic is opening up for you, Vihan. And you can start whenever you are ready. Sanya ma'am is ready. Yes, Vihan.
Good morning, all. Today's showtime is theme is recycle. Hence, I'm wearing a recycled t-shirt. Today, I am made a CSK Hall of Fame using the above. It is my favorite IPL team that I Mr. Kodu. There Murli Vijay, Papu Prati, Suresh Raina, Amit Rai, Goyim Babu, Nani Jagdish, Dharmendra Chadera, and Harbhajan Singh. I will cheer for them and I feel upcoming IPL 2020. Thank you.
क्या बात है विहान, तुमने पूरा आईपीएल टीम ही वहां पे डाल दिया. सही. Cool. Let's clap for Vihan. Good job, Vihan. Very nice. Vihan and his passion for cricket. Wow. Good job, Vihan. Okay. I'm now going to go to Pranav. Pranav, the mic opens up for you. And whenever you are ready.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pranav Sanjay Babri. To recycle is to use again or to reuse waste material by converting into some new. An example of recycle is when you return bottles which are then processed into a new glass product. There are three main types of recycling: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary recycling, also known as closed loop. Recycling is the process of turning one thing into more or the same thing, like paper into more papers, or soda cans into more soda cans. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav. Pranav, your video has stopped. We are unable to see anything that if you were showing. Oh, Pranav, were you showing us some things when you were saying it?
Showing.
We couldn't see anything, Pranav, because your video had paused. We couldn't see anything. Oh, you
This
had
is
all
my pen stand.
Oh, okay. Now we can see. Yes, okay. That's pretty.
And this is a book stand.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is also a book stand.
Okay. रफ बुक भी है उसमें. Okay.
And
Oh, that's a cute.
and ma'am, I have made like this. See?
वो क्या है?
Nest.
अरे, that's a coconut.
Yes, coconut.
Okay. All right. Sanya teacher, you can see everything, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right, good, Pranav. Now we could see, but when you were talking, your screen had frozen, so we couldn't see anything. Good. You showed it to us again. Thank you so much, Pranav. Claps. Talia. Okay, Ranveer, we will now come to you. Okay, we are opening your mic, and whenever you are ready, you can start.
Today, I have made a car garage with a box. So, over here, if you see, there are all the cars parked in their slots. And this is a place to go down, and this is a place to go up. But if you see, all the cars are parked over here. You can see.
Can you lift your camera and show it around to us, please?
And there's a car parked here too.
So how does the car go up?
I'll show you everything now. Wait, I'll have to show it live. Over here, if you see, this car is over here, it has to go down. So it will take a turn and it will go through this. Okay. And this is especially not a car which you can drive on road. This is actually a safety car. Like if a car has to go, okay, down, and if you see a car coming from here also and any accident happens over here, this car is always there to help, or this car is always there to help. But that car, if you see, it is big. It can't go from here. So I have made an imaginary slope in which a car can come like this, and it will help over here. So like this, the car will go down. And if it has to come up, the car will go inside this. And that's how it will come up. And will park here. Thank you.
Ah, okay. Cool. Claps, 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 claps. Good effort. Good effort. Thank you, Ranveer. Good job. Good job.
Welcome,
Subhan,
ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
We can't see you, Subhan. Is your
Ma'am, you have disabled the video.
Oh,
Please.
sorry. Okay, opening your video. Open your video.
Ma'am, I have made. Good morning, everyone. I have made a bird feeder for birds in rainy season. Due to the rain, they don't get food and water, enough food and water. So I made a bird feeder, one for food and one for water, for the birds which are flying around the house. And then I have made a pencil stationery box which I have made from a cardboard, and my mother dress piece. I have kept some few things like pencil, scissor, and glue. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Subhan. Claps, 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 please. Claps. Good job, Subhan. Thank you for your efforts. All right. We'll open the mic for Tanishka. Acha, she's sitting with Pranav itself. Okay. Tanishka, open the mic. Yes, Tanishka. We are ready when you're ready.
We can make many things from box, and we can recycle it, like a dustbin. Like a dustbin. We always want to use a dustbin. It helps us to put a garbage inside it. Even it is both sides. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you made a
And,
dustbin which has a moving flap on top. Okay. Is this for wet waste or for dry waste? Tanishka, is this for wet waste or for dry waste?
What, ma'am?
This garbage box of yours, is it for wet waste or for dry waste?
Dry waste.
Okay.
Like a sharpener, shaving, newspaper things.
Okay, cool. All right, good. Clap for Tanishka. Good job, Tanishka. Very well done. Okay, fine. Sanya teacher, you want to take 5 minutes to complete your scores?
Yeah, just a minute.
Sure, take your time. Take your time. I'm going to open up the mic for all the other kids now. Children, talk to each other about your projects. What have you done? Come on, make some
Ma'am.
noise.
Ma'am, Sanya Didi stays in my society.
Okay. I said talk about the projects.
Your recycling project was nice.
Ranveer, Subhan said something to you.
What? I didn't hear.
Ranveer, your car garage was nice.
Thanks. Your bird feeder also I saw. It was really good of you thinking about birds.
Thank you.
Good. Vihan, why are you not talking?
Ma'am, the best part in my car garage I loved is my cars.
I think usually that is the best part about the garage.
Ranveer, I will try this car garage. Like yours.
Sure.
Suvan, please
Sure.
ask Ranveer to gift it to you.
I had made one. I had made two. One with आम का पेटी and one with Amazon का box. I threw them because मैंने उनको सत्यानाश कर दिया. Then I made a new one.
Please, Satyanash, my God.
Hindi effect.
I know. We just came out of Hindi class, you know, but Satyanash and all is like too much, man. We have a very famous word in our Hindi class which is called Atyachar. And then now Satyanash, my God.
सुबान का word.
Solid words, huh?
सुबान का word मैम अत्याचार.
I would say khatarnak hai, khatarnak. Snehal teacher will faint and fall now. She say, which class am I teaching? Yes, Pranav, you want to say something?
Why am I back?
Ma'am, looks like Sanya Didi is finished.
Yes, Sanya ma'am, you're done? Cute, Pranav. Cute, very nice. Good, okay. Results are out. Let's get ready. Everybody, I'm going to put everyone on silent so we can listen to the result very, very carefully. Okay, Sanya ma'am, over to you.
Okay, so first of all, thank you for having me for this, because this is something really nice that your schools towards recycling, because I haven't seen really many schools towards recycling and everything. They just say it for the namesake, but then when I see kids make something, it's not actually made out of recycled stuff or anything. So what I saw today was, I saw most of the kids, I mean not even most, all the kids had something, not something, but I think everything what they made out of was recycled. So that was one of the best parts. And personally, I liked, personally, according to the scores, I liked Ranveer's car garage. That was something really creative. He used cardboard rolls, which are, I think, used for toilet papers, and I think or foils, and he recycled those for the slope of up and down. And the box also he used was recycled, and the cars he used was the ones he plays with or he must have played with before. So personally, my favorite was Ranveer's car garage, and also the bird feeding stand. That was also actually very
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Everybody personally did a really great job, but personally I liked the idea of how they did it, and the creativity that they put in was excellent.
Okay, yes, Pranav wants to say something. He's raising his hand.
What is the result?
1 minute. Result is announcing. Result announcement is going on. Result announcement is going on. Wait. Okay, Sanya ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 positions that you have to announce. So who is
Okay.
on number 1?
Number 1 is Ranveer.
2.
Number 2, there's a tie between Vihan and Shubham.
Wow, Vihan comes second. I think Vihan is coming second for the consecutive week now. Cool, good Vihan, good job. Cool, okay, all right.
Third, we have Pranav. And fourth, we have Tanishka.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of our performance today. Everybody,
Thank you so much
I'm going to
for
open
having
your
me.
mic one by one to thank the judge who has come to class. Pranav, Tanishka, your words of thanks, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, to dictate our result. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
cool. Sorry, what's that?
thanks to guide our result.
Thank you for mentioning your result. Okay, all right, cool. Subhan, your words of thank you, please.
Thank you for giving me second position.
Okay, yes.
Right, good.
Vihan, your words of thank you, please.
Thank you, Saina teacher. Saina teacher, thank you.
Good. Thank you, Vihan. Ranveer, your words of thank you, please.
Thank you, Sania ma'am, to guide me that how much efforts I have took to make this thing. Thank you.
Cool. Everyone, your mics are open. Clap for the judge. Say your words of thank you for her. Thank you so much, Sania ma'am. Thank you for taking out time. I know you had
Thank
your
you,
classes
Yasha
today.
teacher.
In spite of that, she finished her classes on time and she quickly logged in for our show time today. Once again, reminding you of all the efforts that Sania ma'am takes around her society. She helps in recycling around the society. She takes part in all the plantation drives around the society. She's a part of any event that happens in the society. She's always there with a group of friends to help anyone who is in need of help. Okay, remember
Hello, Yasha
that a
teacher.
wonderful thing that she does is goes out to teach in her free time. She teaches children from the orphanage or from another school. She does that in her free time. Learn from that. That's why we have external judges coming in, so we can learn a lot from them and put it into our life when we are also getting on that path. Thank you so much, Sania ma'am. That's really very encouraging,
Hello, Yasha teacher.
very motivating for us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
today. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Ta-ta.